If there is one concept in the Quran that touches every part of human life, both inward and outward, it is the concept of Ihsan. Ihsan isn't just a moral quality, it's a complete way of being that shapes how we connect with Allah, how we treat family, how we respond to enemies, and how we build just societies. Ihsan means goodness, beauty, excellence, kind conduct, and goodwill. But in the Quran, it becomes a spiritual and moral ideal, a high standard of living. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, defined it beautifully. Ihsan is to worship Allah as though you see Him. And if you cannot see Him, know that He sees you. That means the root of Ihsan is God consciousness. When the heart is filled with His presence, our actions naturally become graceful, kind, and sincere. Let's look at how the Quran presents Ihsan in different areas of life. 1. In worship and generosity. وَأَحْسِن كَمَا أَحْسَنَ اللَّهُ إِلَيْكَ. And do good as Allah has done good to you. Just as Allah has shown you kindness, extend that kindness to others. 2. With parents. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا. And your Lord has decreed that you worship none but Him, and do ihsan with your parents. This verse shows that ihsan to parents is second only to worship in importance. 3. Beyond justice. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يَأْمُرُ بِالْعَدْلِ وَالْإِحْسَانِ. Indeed, Allah commands justice and ihsan. Justice is necessary, but ihsan is excellence, a step higher. 4. Toward enemies. إِدْفَعْ بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ. Repel evil with that which is better. This is the hardest form of ihsan, to respond to hostility with kindness. Today, our society demands justice, but forgets the soul of justice. We talk about parents' rights, but treat their emotions as burdens. We perform rituals, but lack sincerity. We argue law, but ignore mercy. If ihsan returns to our worship, economy, speech, education, and leadership, we won't be just good Muslims, but we will become the best of humanity. As Allah loves the muhsineen. Inna Allah yuhibbul muhsineen. Indeed, Allah loves the doers of ihsan. Allah does not merely look at what you do. He looks at how beautifully you do it. Ihsan is the best combination of spirituality, ethics, and law. It is the soul of Islam.